Okay, so what we're going to look at now is like, what do you need? How do you open a bank account and what do you need to open a bank account? Because some people in this day and age, even now, some people still don't have a bank account. They can believe that.
Yeah, that's true.
So I still think some people just want to know, but they probably just don't want to ask or they don't know where they can get information. But shoot, I know you've opened many accounts before, Julio.
Yeah. So most of the times, home accounts for individual and corporate, the accounts, the banks normally ask for some basic stuff. One of the first things that they ask you for is a national ID. This can be a passport, a driver's license, a voter's voter's ID, but these are nationally issued ID by the government. But most importantly, they are pictured ID, so it can't be a TRN. A TRN doesn't have a picture.
So they don't need a TRN to open a bank account.
You need a TRN to open a bank account, but
It can't.
it can't be it alone. All right. So also there's a minimum fee. Normally banks will ask between $2,000 to $5,000. For businesses, it will be somewhere between $10,000 to $50,000 to start an account, depending on what type of account it is. For the individuals, there also needs to be a proof of address, Jade.
Some kind of bill or something.
Yeah. And this is the biggest problem, and I had this with a worker yesterday.
What is that?
She couldn't
This is your
go to
staff?
the bank. This is one of my client's staff.
Okay.
So this is one of the best way we can go around the fact that persons may not have a bill at an address. You can simply go to the closest justice of the peace. They write a letter on your behalf, right? It is stamped and signed, telling whatever entity your actual address. This also can be done to an employer in a job letter, and they can show your actual address, and this is your address.
So I need to worry about something though.
The last thing what you need is the references.
But then, me see them they come. Remember, say during the Corona time here, so you see, government they come up with you see First Global Bank and use the Global Care account, which is a low risk account, so you don't need as much things.
Right.
So like all these kind of KYC requirements that the banks normally have to fulfill, they no longer need any of those things. So they were trying to issue money when they were issuing money.
Correct.
During the Corona thing.
To let it easier be
Yeah,
issued.
so like I think the max they can have in that account is either $100,000 or $200,000, but you have a lot less requirements.
Correct.
So I don't know if I can get one of those right now.
No, because I think the
it was
COVID
for
thing,
the purpose
because of the
but I
COVID.
still think they function in accounts afterwards.
Yeah.
But as they go along, I think they require more stuff, which is what you're referring to. As they go along, and if you want to expand the account to do more activities and more.
Jade, hold on. But not just that. People might be asking us what it is to open a bank account. But what about other financial institutions other than banks? Because what is a building a society?
Well, I'm telling you, if you're looking at opening accounts at any institution, for me, just as a general guidepost, people will need to start looking at websites. A lot of these financial institutions now are so savvy that you actually have the forms online, you actually have the list of required items online that you can actually go and check what is required before you even go in a branch, or you can even send in whatever you need before I even say passport officer, because my passport need to renew, and them say I see advertisement on TV, go online. I just click and I just say I need 2 pictures, I'm gonna need my birth certificate, blah blah. It's the same thing for a bank. A lot of these banks.
And you can engage them on the online platforms, the Instagrams, the Facebook, and ask any question you want.
Resources, because these people are trying to take your money. They are very willing to talk to you.
Yes.
So you have teller. You have some institutions have video teller. You have all of them have customer care centers, like big call centers just for customers for the most part. And then you have a lot of online resources. And then you always have a branch. And most of the institutions have branch networks or agent banks that are all over the island. You understand? So you can go into anyone. I just say speak to somebody. It's good to know as you have listed them, but always try and speak to somebody. Don't feel any way to talk to somebody, to call somebody on the phone and ask. It's really just a resource.
But Jade, what's the difference between a building society and a commercial?
That's a tricky question now, because a lot of these guys, they used to pretend to be separate But everybody, they have their different regulatory requirements and the laws that govern them. But essentially, all of them, in my opinion now, all of them act like a bank. In the past, probably they would have been more separated in terms of, they still have their legal separations, you know, but everybody is aiming to be a bank. That's why recently you have seen JN Bank, Sagicor Bank. You see some banks disappearing.
JMMB Bank.
JMMB Bank. And then you have the merchant, which is the merchant bank. And there are so many different, but they are finding these financial people are very savvy and they are very good at cross-selling. So if they have one, if they are selling insurance, an insurance company, NTV Insurance or Scotia Insurance or whatever, financial services will refer you. First Global, Sagicor, any of these institutions, they will all refer you across the different entities that are related.
And that is an important point. I want to reiterate. A lot of people don't understand that when you go in some of these financial institutions, there are different arms of it, or legs, whichever you want to call it.
Everything them the
right?
Everything.
So if you go in there and it's an ordinary commercial bank, guys, trust me, there comes a time where you can go towards the insurance arm, you can go towards the investment arm.
Everything.
There's so many options.
Thank you guys for watching Financial Fitness JA. Like, share, and subscribe. And if you're interested in sharing anything with us, leave a comment down below. We're happy to see you again. Look out for our next video coming up. We do this.
Peace.